Hey family, I hope you're doing okay. Welcome to today's video. And I'm in the countryside. We're building our life with my boyfriend step by step. It might seem like we're not getting anywhere, but I know we are, slowly by slowly. Today is laundry day, and guys, I'm going to be honest with you. Doing laundry is has never been my favorite chore. I can actually say this is my least favorite chore. You remember that quote that says, "Love the process, not the destination." Honestly, when it comes to laundry, I love the destination because I think what motivates me to do laundry is seeing clean clothes. You know that smell when you get into the house and laundry is clean, the peace that it brings. Yeah, I love the destination when it comes to laundry. So I'll be doing laundry by the well. Um, yeah, I'll be doing laundry by the well because there's no electricity and we've not pumped water today into the house. So I have to take the water from the well, and I was like, why don't I carry the clothes here and do it from here? Yeah, so let's enjoy this together. One thing I'll have to appreciate my boyfriend Kyle. So this is love. I have to appreciate him because he came to help me with getting the water from the well. I appreciate that. Yeah. And so I'll be hand washing the clothes the way we've done it for ages, ever since I was born. There's something unexpectedly satisfying about it. Like you get to wash every inch of that cloth. But even though one day I dream of getting a washing machine, I really want to get a washing machine one day. And I think it will make work a little bit easier. Yeah. After doing all the laundry, I was so happy to be done. Honestly, there's like a that moment you usually say drum rolls. I'm so happy to be done. And the sugar cane just by the well, and why not? Why not serve some of it just from the source? From, you know where it's coming from. Not like in Nairobi or in the cities. Especially Nairobi is notorious for growing beans by the sewage. I love that in the countryside. You know what you're eating, you know how it's grown, and that's very sweet. Yeah, so I'm gonna take the sugar cane, head back home, hang the clothes, and just enjoy the sugar cane. Wow, I love how like it's so peaceful here. Being in nature makes everyday task feel meaningful, even the ones you don't like laundry. After hanging out everything to dry in the sun, I finally sat down to enjoy my sugar cane. There's just something about like this grown here that, okay, for example, this sugar cane, it's very sweet. It's so refreshing. It makes me appreciate these small, simple moments. Life right now might not be as convenient, but it has a way of grounding me. And while I look forward to adding little comforts like a washing machine to my routine over time, I'm grateful for what each day here teaches me about patience and simplicity. I love this little life. I love this life, guys. At the end of the day, all I had to do was just take a shower. Okay, here we don't take a shower. I should actually say a bucket bath because that is what it is. Yeah, we either boil water, you can boil it, then put cold water, and then you put it in a bucket, and you can also bath with just cold water if that's what you like. Yeah, so I really appreciate each and every moment up to this point. I recognize each moment as being brought by God or the universe, and I'm just flowing with it because the universe or God is always working for you, not against you. I believe it's working like for me. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for the immense support. I don't take it for granted. May you be blessed wherever you are.